How to change WhatsApp number without losing chat. Suppose if you buy a new SIM card and you want to change your old number, then without losing, how do you do that? In this video, I'll show you exactly steps. So please follow. First of all, simply tap on your WhatsApp app. After you open your WhatsApp, simply tap on the three vertical dot at the top right corner right over here. And then simply head over to your settings. Now in your settings, you'll find a lot of options. Now if you want to change the number, simply there is a pen tool beside search bar, simply tap on there. Now if you want to edit your phone number, simply tap on the phone section. Now read this. Changing your phone number will migrate your account info, groups and settings. So before proceeding, please confirm that you are able to receive SMS or calls at your new number. And if you have both a new phone and a new number, first change your number on your old phone. Now after you do this, simply tap on the next icon. Now here at the top section, there is written your old phone number. And now you need to enter your new phone number with the country code at the bottom. Where it is written, write your new phone number. And after you write your phone number, simply tap on next. And after you verify, you can easily change your number. For verification purposes, WhatsApp will send a 6-digit one-time password to the SIM number that you have entered via SMS, or you can also choose phone call method and then enter this code to complete the process and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.